Hey Postie fans, little update. We did the clutch yesterday, and trick for young players. And you think you're pretty clever, and you've leaned the bike over so the oil doesn't come out. Make sure you turn the fuel off. We had our little air cleaner full of fuel. Couldn't work out why it wouldn't start until we pulled this off. Must have been a litre of fuel in there, so we're lucky we didn't blow ourselves up. Anyway, she's up and running. She went for a ride and everything's good with the clutch, which is good. Now we're going to do the timing chain. So the manual says to pull the head off, but I've done mine. It's a little bit fiddly, but I've kept the head on, so you don't have to pull the head off to do a timing chain. But that's what we're up to now. There is a funny little whirring sound in the bike when we turn it off. It wasn't there a while ago, but I've since pulled the casing off and checked the clutch and everything's fine, so it's just coincidental. Hopefully it's something to do with the timing chain and that'll sort it. But yeah, alright, stay tuned. Hey guys, we got there. We've got the cam chain in and got it running. Sounds sweet. We'll just kick it in the guts and show you. Just runs a lot smoother now. Before, Chrissy could hardly look out the mirrors. Just runs nice. I think there's still a little issue with the carby, but we'll get a new carby and we'll have a look at that too. It's hard to tune, hard to set the mixtures. Doesn't seem to have them on its own. Anyway, we'll show you the bits that we got out of it. You can see that. This isn't as bad as what some I've seen, but they're pretty chopped up and they're rock hard. So that chain was just bouncing around on that really hard plastic. This is another one out of an old spare motor that we've got. And God, that's supposed to look like that. Imagine the racket that was making. But yeah, so Christy's been for a little blade around the block. She's pretty happy, and so they're all happy. What's next? That's about it, I think. What's next? Oh, adjust the valves. We're going to check valve clearances, make sure they're okay. Maybe get a compression tester on it, just to make sure they're all right. But new tyre for the rear for both bikes, and wheel bearings when they arrive. 4 new wheel bearings, and that's about it, I think. So yeah, cool. Cheers.